from JR Jeep. I hope you're doing well today. I've been working on some multiple things today, but one thing I want to try to install today is this. I picked it up about a month ago, and as you can see, it's for the tailgate area of my Jeep. And as I'm getting ready to go on a couple trips soon, I wanted to get this installed. So let's see what it looks like and how easy it is to install. Well, hi friends. I'm going to be opening this up now and seeing what we got in here. I believe the way this installs is on this area of the hatch or the rear window, so we'll see what it does. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we have some cleaning wipes, dry and wet it says. Instruction manuals, which doesn't look all that complicated. There's a control in here. It looks like these lights can be adjusted color code wise. It looks like we have some zip ties and some stickers, and it looks like some wire splices. This is a DC power cord. And it looks like the light itself. So, let's see what we got here. There are two ways to connect the power supply. No need to destroy the original car circuit. Clean the glass with alcohol wipe, cotton, and then paste the light bar. Connect the receiver and fix it with the wire clips. Organize the wires with the cable ties and fix the power cord with power clips. Connect to a 12-volt power source. Okay, one issue I sort of have right now is that connector in my Jeep has not been working properly. I'm going to look at it again and see if I can get it working, because ideally that would be the one I would want to connect it to instead of having to wire it all the way up. But we'll see. What I'm going to do right now though is I am going to just install it the way they say for this connection, which shows it as basically going along the glass here. So we're going to use those wipes and start the install. I'm just unfolding this. This is the wet wipe. I know it's good to get any stuff off. There might be a coating or anything from any window cleaners to that. And it is a little dirty. Don't know if you can see that, but it was a little dirty. So we'll see if that helps. Next we have the dry wipe. So, open this with a knife. Always nice to have a Hybrid Freight little pocket knife. Now if you can see this, we have a combination of LEDs on here, It looks like a number of colors, and the strip is roughly as long as a window, and it does have a physical connector there. And on the back we do have two-sided tape. So it is saying to run this electrical connector to the passenger side. So that's where the stuff is, the cords are going to go down and inside here. So that's what we're going to do. What I would suggest, instead of taking all the tape off at once, take off part of it and then double check the fitting. Then start it. Okay, so this connects the receiver and fix it with clips. So this is a receiver wire with the DC power cord. There is also a power cord in here that is wired. Like I said, I'm going to use the DC one. Worst case scenario, I can always take this off, but I want to try this first. This is the adapter. One end plugs into that cord, the other end plugs into the light strip itself. So we got that. So folks, as you see, we do have the light working. Temporarily I just hitched it up to my battery pack just to try it out. Like I said, I'm going to work on this, see if it's working. If nothing else, maybe I can take that apart and hardwire it. I'm going to check some fusing just to make sure. This does come with this handy little remote. So what's nice about this, I can change the light structure. So like in the evening, you might want amber, you know, so you don't have basically mosquitoes and that coming up at you. And you can adjust the brightness in that. So that's pretty cool. On-off feature, of course. So pretty handy. If you're interested in this, I will leave the link that I bought this. I got this on Amazon, just doing a search, and I'd be glad to share it with you. If you like this video, please consider giving a thumbs up And thank you very much for stopping by and looking at what I'm doing. Things are ongoing, and I'm going to have other videos upcoming. I'm getting ready for Jeep Go Topless weekend, just like everybody else. If you're in the area or part in the Milwaukee area, you might want to consider joining the Milwaukee Jeepers group I belong to. Nice, great group of people. Really enjoy them. So another thing to look into. Until next time, have a great time, and get on the trails. Get out there and enjoy. Summer's too short the way it is. Oh, and by the way, I'm shooting this on Mother's Day. I unfortunately lost my mom a little over a year and a half ago. For all those of you that are in the same situation, my condolences. But remember, they're still looking down at you. And for those of you that have your mother, definitely treasure them every day you have them. They are definitely a resource, definitely somebody that should be idolized, because they help bring you into the world and make you what you are. Have a great day. Bye-bye.